friends so small, big adventures for us all.
Welcome, Oliver, to my ant-sized kitchen.
Time to make the Bajra cookies.
First, we whisk the flour, banana, and jaggery.
Wow, that smells delicious.
Try these, Oliver. Fresh, crunchy Bajra bites, perfect for the trail. Are you sure they're any good, Annie? Just taste one. Wow, these are amazing. You see, Oliver, pearl millets are naturally gluten-free and so great for your tummy because of all this insoluble fiber. Pearl millets are a healthy option for weight management. The high fiber and nutrient density help manage weight by curbing cravings and reducing unhealthy snacking. Naturally gluten-free, it is a safe and healthy option for those with gluten intolerance or celiac disease.
You see, this steaming pearl millet is packed with warmth and energy, perfect for those cold winter days ahead.
The complex carbs in pearl millet release energy slowly, preventing tiredness. The banana adds quick, natural energy. With pearl millet and jaggery, you get a powerful boost of iron, fighting anemia and making you feel energized. Wow!
Remember to like this video, share it with your friends, follow our page and subscribe to our channel. Bye everyone!